Okay, so this pattern calls for multiples of 4, which means you're going to chain up 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 until you reach your desired width, and then you're going to add 3 chains. So you're going to do a double crochet in the 4th. 1, 2, 3, in the 4th chain from the hook. Another double crochet, so 2 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1, 2, and then in the next chain, you're going to do 2 more double crochets. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, and then again, the 3rd chain, do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets. Oh, no, sorry. And then 2 double crochets in the next chain. So used to doing everything in the same chain. It's like I'm on autopilot with this stuff, okay? Skip 2 chains, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets in the next chain. Skip 2. Yeah, I was counting, my count was off as far as the chain goes, which is normal. So again, and then do 2 more double crochets. So double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets in the next chain. So then you're going to skip 1. You should have 2 left. And you're going to do a single crochet in the very last one. You have extra chains, no problem. You can always undo a little knot here and adjust it. It's better to have extra chains than to need chains. I speak of experience, especially when you're doing blankets, man. Okay. So row number 2, you're going to chain up 3. Then you're going to go into this chain 2 space and do 2 double crochets. Chain 2, 2 double crochets. The next chain 2 space right here. Again, 2 double crochets. Chain 2, 2 double crochets. Again, to the chain 2 space, you're just going to, and that's row number 2. So row number 3 is the same. The only difference is that the way they end and they start. When you start out at row number 2, you started out with a chain 3. When you end row number 2, you end it with a single crochet. Oops. 2. And you're going to end it in a single crochet on top of the, well, on top of the chain 2, but again, as I always say, as long as it's straight, doesn't matter where it goes. There you go. So row number 3, you're going to chain up 3 and just start over. Do your 2 double crochets, chain 2 in the chain 2 space all across. That's it. You're going to do that all across, and then here at the end, you're going to end with a single crochet. So that's the only difference between these, the row number 2 and 3. So it gives you, if you use a light, like a 3 DK weight, which is a 3, if you go down to a 2, it gives you a very lacy type of effect. I think it's pretty for like a wrap. Just do that, and then you're just going to end with a single crochet on top of the chain 3, and that's it. That is the pattern. Very easy, fast. Again, if you use a thin, a 2 or 3 weight yarn, it will give you a lacy effect, which I think would really look pretty on a shawl. I mean, on a wrap. But again, okay. So that's it. Feel free to email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.